some bodies in the field. Generate a list of potential vehicles. Family members, colleagues, friends.
That's not all. Autumn Cox is in police custody.
It's Jansen. I need to speak to the major. It's urgent.
How many years ago was that? Can you spell that last name? Yeah, and do they have an address? Great, thank you.
How are you cold? They just jacked me.
I don't know, but that was social services. Autumn had a kid, a daughter. She's 8 years old. And she was a toddler when the queen disappeared.
Really?
She only lost custody due to a prison stay back in 2011, but the woman that she asked me to track down, Clarissa Ford, it turns out that that's the kid's foster mom.
She's still not the kid.
No, she was adopted out 4 years ago, but that's what she's talking about, Jared. It's not just about me. She's talking about a kid, but she tracked her down.
That's the language.
So Autumn is fighting passengers, and in return, the major reunites her with her daughter. That's why she's so scared. She doesn't want to do anything that might get her.
Yeah.
We track down the kid too, so we can make a deal with us.